Calling the Trump National War Room. All of our agents are busy helping other callers. At the tone, please record your message. When you've finished recording, you may hang up or press the pound key for more options.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there, love. Yeah, this is Jim Pittman. They're in Bonavista. Vista. But I want to call in. But this ain't open line, is it? There's no... Patty! Patty! Where you to, Patty? Boy, freak this, law.
Trump National War Room. All of our agents are busy helping other callers. At the tone, please record your message. When you've finished recording, you may hang up or press the pound key for more options.
Hello, this here's Dwight the Hicks Premier of Newfoundland. I just wanted to call and tell you, you're doing a great job. I couldn't have bankrupted the country so fast myself even if I tried. I just wanted to say you're doing a good job. That old sleepy Joe Biden, I don't know if he's colluded with the bloody boys from Alberta or what there. Them fuckers up there in Ottawa don't give a shit about us. Anyway, make Nalcor great again, and you have a great day.
Calling the Trump National War Room. All of our agents are busy helping other callers. At the tone, please record your message. When you've finished recording, you may hang up or press the pound key for more options.
Hey there, how's you getting on there, love, now? This is Goobie from here in Goobies. You know, I was out there with Mary the Moose. Listen, I was in there the other day and I saw Joe Biden come through. Oh, sleepy Joe. He was trying to wake himself up, I suppose, to try to get a cup of coffee. You know how she goes. I said, boy, we got some good Tim Hortons there, law. And he said, no, boy, we drink Starbucks. And I said, get out of here, mate. Boy, what kind of man is he anyway? You get him out of there now, law. You have a good day. There's Goobie.
Trump National War Room. All of our agents are busy helping other callers. At the tone, please record your message. When you've finished recording, you may hang up or press the pound key for more options.
Hello, this is Goobie, not Goobies again. You know, it's Goobie, not Goobies. Anyway, I was thinking about the other day when he was in there, you know, sleepy old Joe Biden was in there up to the Ultramar, and he got in line. He picked out about $20 of break opens, and he ripped them all open there on the cash, and he asked for another 20. And the boys was lining up. They had their Smith snacks, they had their Pepsis, they had everything. And he was sitting there. I said, I'll take another 20 break opens there now. Anyway, listen, only a piece shite does that. You take care now.